Today, we're going to delve into the wonderful world of gardening and talk about something essential for healthy plant growth: homemade fertilizer. Making your own fertilizer is not only cost-effective, but also ensures that you know exactly what goes into it, making it safer and more tailored to your plant's needs. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about compost. Compost is a nutrient-rich soil amendment made from decomposed organic materials such as kitchen scraps, yard waste, and leaves. Simply gather your organic waste, layer it in a compost bin, and let nature do its work. In a few months, you will have nutrient-rich compost ready to feed your plants. Next, let's talk about coffee grounds. Did you know that coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen, which is essential for plant growth? After brewing your morning cup of joe, save the grounds and sprinkle them around the base of your plants. Not only does it fertilize the soil, but it also helps repel pests like slugs and snails. Now, onto eggshells. Eggshells are a fantastic source of calcium, which helps prevent blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers. After enjoying your breakfast, crush the eggshells into small pieces and sprinkle them around your plants or mix them into the soil. Your plants will thank you for the calcium boost. Last but not least, let's talk about seaweed. Seaweed is packed with essential nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and trace elements, making it an excellent fertilizer for your garden. If you live near the coast, you can gather seaweed from the beach. Rinse off any excess salt, chop it into smaller pieces, and add it to your compost pile or use it as a mulch around your plants. In conclusion, making your own homemade fertilizer not only benefits your plants, but also contributes to a more sustainable gardening practice. By utilizing kitchen scraps, coffee grounds, eggshells, and seaweed, you're reducing waste and minimizing your environmental impact. Plus, you have the satisfaction of knowing exactly what's going into your garden, without the worry of harmful chemicals or additives. Experiment with different ratios and combinations of these ingredients to tailor your fertilizer to the specific needs of your plants. Remember, gardening is all about observation and adaptation, so don't be afraid to adjust your fertilizer recipe based on how your plants respond. With a little time and effort, you'll be rewarded with a lush and thriving garden that you can be proud of. So, the next time you're tempted to reach for store-bought fertilizers, why not give homemade fertilizers a try? Not only will you save money, but you'll also foster a deeper connection with your garden and the natural world around you. And there you have it. With just a few simple ingredients, you can make your own homemade fertilizer to keep your plants healthy and happy. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!